today's unboxing, here gonna be unboxing this electric hand mixer. So I have the big stand mixer, but I really rarely use it because I think it's a lot of work to put together. And for quick, like making something quick, like cornbread or something, it's nice to have a hand mixer for that you could whip up really fast. So this item comes with 2 beaters. It also came with this, I don't know what it is called, but it's another attachment. And you can see it's pretty compact. So let's get the item out. So this is what it looks like. So it's pretty basic. The controls, there's 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and okay, and I think you can store the handles. I thought you could store the handles somewhere, like here. Okay, so that is really neat that you can store the handles like so. So you can store the handles on the sides like that. So when you're storing it, you won't misplace the. Oops. Charlotte, can you please plug this in? So that's pretty cool. You could like store it that way. So let's try to see if it works. I'm going to plug it in and I'm going to show you how it works. So as you can see, it's pretty easy to plug. So, and then alright, so it works pretty good. So that is our video for today. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.